Hi everyone, this is K-pop Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad kagawa natin reaction video ang Jillian Wards and Eman Bacosa Pacquiao updates for today's video. So I won't take any longer, let's start this. Pero wait lang, tahimik si Eman yung Bacosa, no? Nakafocus na talaga siya siguro sa training pero panoorin natin to. Ano to? Oh my God! Ay, akala ko bagong endorsement na naman yan for today's video. So, panoorin natin to. Ano naman to? Bakit nakatag si Eman? Diyos ko, namamalimos ng views, ng likes, ng followers. Ganun ba yun? Ay, ano to? Ito yung preparation niya. Ito yung preparation niya for today's video. Wala na. Okay. La. Iba din naman talaga si Eman yun. Ano pang next? True friends aren't people that help. Ano na lang? Wait lang. Puntahan muna natin si Jillian Wards kung anong atake ni Jillian. Kasi kaka-birthday lang ni Jillian, di ba? So for sure marami talaga. Pero alam mo, nagbigay. Huwag na kayong magselos kasi ang mga bigay na bulaklak ng mga otoko, ng mga boylet sa Never Say Die. As a birthday gift lang naman yun. Yes. Pero sponsored yun. Ganda ni Jillian. Happy birthday, Jill! Oh, ganda ni Jillian. Oh, ang cute ni Jillian dyan. Super cute niya dyan. Ay, ganun ba yun? Okay. Ay. What's next? Wala na? Ay, meron pa. Ay, ang ganda ni Jill. Ay, hello? Saan na naman punta, Jill? Ganda niya talaga. Iba talaga ang kagandahan ng Jillian niyo. Sa totoo lang. Tsaka low-key lang siya, no? Low-key na maganda. You know what I mean? Okay, ay tapos na. Ay, maghanap pa tayo ng iba. Hanap pa tayo ng iba. Ito yung mga post niya. Oh, ay, wala. Ito. Sa mga tags, tingnan natin. Kasi nasa tags talaga ang chismis eh. Chares! Ay, si Hit. Kasama niya si Hit pala. Ay, ano to? Darna. Cutie. Cutie naman ni Jillian. Okay. Ganda niya, no? Iba talaga, grabe ang ganda niya. Nagmumura ang visuals niya, dear. Sa totoo lang. Minumura tayo ng visuals niya. Diba? What's next? Ay. Si Jillian ba yun? Choice! Ay, ito ano to? Happy birthday, Jillian.
Something deep down in
Ay.
my
The
soul.
down was so lousy. Down. One more time. Something deep
Ay,
down.
lousy. Grabe.
Something deep down in
Up,
my.
down.
Yeah, I felt it.
Down. 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 Intonation. Pitch. One more time. Something
Intonation.
deep down. Go.
Something deep down in my soul said, "Cry, girl."
Yes. One more time. Go.
Something deep
Up.
down.
Deep was flat. Deep. Go.
Something deep down.
Careful ka.
Yeah.
Yeah din daw.
Go.
Something deep down in my soul said, "Cry, girl."
There. Okay. You're gonna just let it out like that.
Yeah.
You need to be...
Yeah, nakikinig talaga siya. Superstar na yan, ha? Sinasabi ko sa inyo, ha?
Nakanta ko na siya.
Napaka-humble niya talaga.
Every note matters in singing.
Every note matter.
Every note matters and every word matters too.
Mm.
So don't miss out on your intonation and pitch. Don't miss out on your
Mhm.
vowels. Don't miss out on your consonants. Because singing ultimately is all about communication. And you need
Yes.
to eliminate all the possible hindrances para ma-communicate mo na maayos yung kanta. What are those hindrances? Could be a pitch problem, could be a placement problem, could be a pronunciation problem. Now you want to
Mhm.
eliminate all of those things para pag kumanda ka, ramdam ng tao sa klase.
Makaka-communicate. Exactly.
That's what we're doing.
True.
Okay, one more time. Something deep down in my soul. Go.
Something deep down in my soul said, cry, girl.
Better. Right.
Yes,
Very good.
I get it.
Okay, good.
Get it.
Thank you, Jillian.
Thank you.
All right.
Happy birthday, Jill. Ay. Anyways, wala na, no? Lipat tayo sa TikTok. Ito na siya, ito na siya. Malapit na talaga yung laban niya. Malapit na talaga ang laban niya, ma'am. Okay, what's next? Training. Training siya eh. Yan yung Valentine's niya, training. Ay! Nakita ko na naman to. Charis! Nakita na naman natin to, ma'am. Paano na? Ano ba yan? Tama ba yan, ma'am?
Hi guys, good morning. Native ulap.
Okay. Oh, nagpapakiramdaman na naman sila. Ay, binisita ka ni BF? Sino yung binisita niya? Ala, sana all. Sana all, no? Sana all binibisita ng BF. Charis. Binisita ka ng BF. Malapit na sila.
Kasi also po, he's very nice to my mom.
Diyos ko, ang bigay na to. Hindi pa pa ito natatapos. Totoo ba? Eh si Eman, palagi nang lalay kay Eman. Oh. Palagi nang lalay si Eman. Totoo. Si Eman talaga. Si Eman talaga ang tinutukoy niya for today's video. Okay. Gwapo niya, no? Lalo kung nasa ring siya, ibang tao siya, no? Sa totoo lang. Ibang tao siya pag nasa ring. Anyways, that is our for today's video. This is Kate Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!